Isabella! Isabella! Where the heck are you?
I'm here, Mommy. Please wait for me a moment. I'm in my bedroom.
Are you sleeping in there? Get out of here immediately. I cannot wait any longer.
Yes, Mommy. What happened?
What is that luggage?
Nothing. Just some of my old stuff. I am going to throw them away today.
Whatever. Your principal just called me and said that you were late to school 5 times last week. He asked me why I let you to go to school with a sloppy and tired body like that. He even told me that I needed to take care more about you.
I'm really sorry, Mommy.
No, stop. Stop calling me mommy. I am not your mom, and you are not my daughter.
But my father wants me to call you Mommy. There's nothing I can do about it.
Don't talk to me like that.
Why are you mad at me? I was late to school because of you.
Because of me? What are you talking about?
You asked me to sweep and mop the 3 floors of the house before I could go to school. Someday, you even forced me to take the bath for the pigs and milk the cows. Do you know how many pigs and cows we have on the farm? 20 of them. How can I get to school on time after finishing a bunch of house chores?
Oh, I paid you for housework and now you are complaining that it's too much?
$2 a day. Are you kidding me? What the hell can I do with your $2 dirty dollars?
You call my money dirty?
Yes, and your hers is dirty too.
Oh my goodness. Do you want to die today, Isabella?
Kill me, then your life will be ended up in the jail. I want to see how you will kill me. You always treat me as inferior. I hate you.
What the hell? I take care of you for the past 20 years. You are a betrayal. How do you think you'd stay alive until today? Your dad almost killed you and your mom that night. I saved you. Don't you forget?
No, don't you lie to me. I knew all the truth already. You were the one who wanted my mom to die, so you can get married to my dad.
Who told you that? Your mother was my sister. I loved her.
What? You loved her? Then why did you steal her husband? My mom was the most gentle woman in the world. How could you cheat on her?
You don't understand. That's were very complicated. Your dad found out that your mom wrote a love letter to her ex-boyfriend. So he got crazy and threw her out at midnight. He thought you were not his child. But I begged him to let your mother go in peace and keep you beside me so I could take care of you.
You think I am a child? Every single word that comes out of your mouth is such nonsense. My dad hates me because I'm not his son.
It doesn't matter why he hates you. I have no clue about that. All I know is that I was there when you needed me the most and I saved your life.
How could my mother treat my dad? She would never do that. She loved my dad blindly, even when she was abandoned.
Then, why did she write a letter to her ex? Do you know what she said?
I don't want to know.
She said she did not love your dad anymore. She was unhappy with her marriage. She asked him to pick her up so they could run away together. And you know what is terrifying?
What?
She wanted to abandon you. She did not want to take you with her, all she needed was her love of life.
No, that's impossible. I don't trust you. After all you have done to me, I don't trust you anymore. You lied to me many times.
Did I lie to you? What exactly did I do?
You told me that you were my mom, but you were not. Then you said my mom died when I was born, but it was not true either. I found her diary. I read it all.
Diary? Which diary? I have never heard of any diaries.
Of course not. You did not. My mom hid it from you.
What did the diary say about me?
She said she had a best friend who always stayed beside her. She trusted that best friend deeply. She told the friend everything about her marriage, even when she had a doubt that my dad was having an affair. And, do you want to hear the ending?
I don't know what you mean.
Surprisingly, my dad's secret lovers were my mom's best friend. And that was you.
Well, let's see.
My mother knew she would be dumb and that you were planning to murder her. She could run away to protect me and her life, but she chose to stay because she still trusted you.
No, you just made it up. Where is the diary?
I will never show it to you.
So you can back up what you just said.
I don't have to prove anything to you. It is clearer than crystal that you are an ill-natured woman. You're going to hell.
Well, I suppose you are right. So, what can you do to me? Nothing. You are just a little mouse. I am an eagle. Just say whatever you want to say. I don't give a damn. You are still my ugly servant for the whole of your life.
I will not do anything to you. Just like my mom, she just left. I will leave this house too. I will let the karma come to you.
You are leaving the house? Huh, are you kidding? Where would you go with not a penny in their pocket? How do you think you can survive in this city?
You don't have to worry about that. My mother will pick me up today. Why do you think I packed my luggage?
What? Your mom?
Yes, I tried my best to contact her for the last 5 years. My mom is a very successful woman right now. She's richer than your husband 100 times.
Huh? How could you?
Oh, there she is. Have you heard anything about a car? Goodbye, my beloved stepmother. Good luck and I'll never see you again.
Wait, hold on. How about me? And your dad? Please stop. I'm sorry. Don't leave me, please.
Bye.